If you're looking to verify your domain for Facebook ads in Practice Better, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps and give you the insights you need to get your domain verified, making your ads more credible and efficient. But stick around until the end, because I'll also share an even better alternative that can help you reach your goals faster. First things first, to verify your domain for Facebook ads in Practice Better, you'll need to start in the Practice Better platform. Once you're logged in, head to your settings. You'll find the Integrations tab, and that's where we'll begin. Next thing, click on Facebook ads under the Integration section. Here, Practice Better will ask for your Facebook Business Manager ID. If you don't know it, you can find it easily by navigating to your Facebook Business Manager dashboard. It's in the Settings section under Business Info. Copy that ID and paste it into the appropriate field in Practice Better. The third thing, after entering your ID, Practice Better will generate a meta tag for you. This meta tag is critical. It's the key that Facebook uses to confirm your ownership of the domain. Copy that tag and then go to your website's HTML code. You can either do this manually, or if you're using a platform like WordPress, there are plugins that can help you add the code. Next up, head back to your Facebook Business Manager and look for the Domains section under Brand Safety. Once you've navigated there, click, add, and paste the meta tag you copied from Practice Better into the designated field. Facebook will then begin the verification process. This can take up to 24 hours, so be patient, but you should see your domain verified soon. Now, let's talk about something important. What happens if this process doesn't go smoothly? Sometimes Practice Better can be tricky when it comes to domain verification, especially if you're using a more complex website setup or have custom domains. In those cases, you might need to manually verify it through DNS settings or even reach out to Practice Better support for assistance. Here's the fourth thing. If you want to bypass these common challenges and get even better results for Facebook ads, you might want to consider some alternatives. There are platforms out there that not only make domain verification easier, but also offer more comprehensive ad management tools that integrate seamlessly with Facebook. One such platform is Alternative Platform Name, which offers robust support for all your digital marketing efforts. With smoother integration and faster results, this might be the better option for your needs. To wrap things up, if you're trying to verify your domain for Facebook ads in Practice Better, the steps we just covered should work in most cases. But remember, if you're looking for something more streamlined and hassle-free, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits for Alternative Platform Name, and trust me, it might be exactly what you're looking for. Make sure to check the link in the description for more details and grab your extended free trial.